Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Shri Guru Shri Juta Padakamalam. So one must know how to connect Krishna. Krishna is everywhere. And this is Krishna consciousness. This is Krishna consciousness. One must know how you can derive from these features of Krishna's form in wood or iron or metal. That doesn't matter. Krishna is everywhere. And you have to learn how to contact Krishna with everything. That will be explained in this system of yoga. We learn it. So, the Krishna consciousness is also yoga, the perfect yoga, the highest of all yogic systems. Anyone, any yogi may come and we can challenge and we can say that this is the A1 yoga system. This is A1 and it is very simple at the same time. You haven't got to exercise your body. Suppose if you are weak or you feel some tiredness, but in Krishna consciousness you won't feel. All our students, they are simply anxious to be overloaded with work. Krishna consciousness. Swamiji, what can I do? Or what can I do? And they are actually doing. Nice, very nice. They don't feel tired. That is Krishna consciousness. In material world, if you work for some time, then you will feel tired. You will require rest. Of course, I am not, exaggerating myself. I am an old man of 72 years. Oh, I was ill. I went back to India. I have come again. I want to work. Naturally, I should have been tired for all these activities, but I don't feel. So far I can do. I want to work. I want to day and night. At night I work with dictaphone. So I am sorry. If I become sorry if I cannot work. This is Krishna consciousness. One must be very much anxious to work. It is not that it is an idle society. No. We have got sufficient engagement. They are editing papers, they are selling papers. They simply find out how Krishna consciousness can be spread. This is practice. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.